For more than 22 years, DC by Foot has been showing Washington, D.C. to the world, welcoming over 10 million guests and earning more than 10,000 five-star reviews along the way. Washington Post and New York Times call us when they want to see what's happening on the ground in tourism. You'll see our guides on the Travel Channel and Discovery Family. Our food tours stop at James Beard and Michelin-starred restaurants. Sometimes you'll see us out on the National Mall surrounded by security agents, but I'm not allowed to tell you more about those guests. People love our tours because we don't just recite facts, we tell stories. We bring the city to life. You'll leave with more than perfect Instagram shots, though we'll help you get that too. You'll leave with a deeper understanding of the city and the history that shaped it. We started small, just a couple of walking tours in DC. And today, we've grown into a global tour company, offering everything from food tours and luxury black car experiences to custom hop-off bus tours, and not just in DC, but around the world, from London to Abu Dhabi. We offer one of the largest selections of tours on the market, giving our guests unmatched variety and flexibility. Any theme, any neighborhood, any interest. Wherever you want to go, we have a guide who can turn it into an unforgettable experience. That's the difference. That's DC by Foot.